Good morning everybody, and welcome to S&B Diaries. If you haven't been to our channel before, thanks for visiting. We're in the West Midlands today. We've come to the village of Bourneville on the Cadbury's 200th anniversary year this year. So we just thought we'd quickly show you around the village. Got this beautiful building with a weather vane on the top, situated in the heart of the green. Here we have Bourneville Parish Church, which connects to the St Francis Youth Centre. I'll just show you the wonderful top of that building there, and then we head back. So the charming village of Bourneville is located on the southwest side of Birmingham. Founded by the Quaker Cadbury family for its employees, designed as a garden village. Flowers and barbers, it says. Toy shop. Bread and basket. So Bourneville is known as one of the most desirable areas in the West Midlands to live in, surrounded by its lovely green. Stop and show you. Or old-fashioned lamp there hanging on the outside of Christine's, which is sat next to the butchers here. Traditional butchers. Got these lovely hanging baskets outside, and there's a cafe next to traditional British telephone box. Some mailbox there. There's a Cadbury's factory just down here. Let's go down and I'll show you. That's coming from that beautiful green bell I showed you on top of that building a minute ago. So that's part of the Cadbury's factory there, which looks through to one of their car parks. It's a big factory. You can go in and have a tour and see all the melted chocolate and the people sculpting their eggs and stuff. This building here was once home to the Bourneville College, sadly now lying empty at the moment. There's what would have been the Lloyd's Bank there on the corner next to the hub of the green. Hospice shop. And I'll take you over. There's a beautiful robin in the tree there at the top. Don't know if you can see him. This is Selly Oak Manor. It is currently a museum. It lies on the corner here of Maple Road. Beautiful black and white building here. The other side of the college building. It's all lined on this side by yew tree hedges. It's currently closed. Beautiful black and white building there. The fig tree in the garden. To show you the rear of the property there. So that concludes our little tour here of Bourneville Village, just southwest of Birmingham in the West Midlands in England. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.